it's Dawn.
It's Howard.
We're just out and about, and we are here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg Christmas Town tonight.
We are.
It's Friday night. I haven't really vlogged that much tonight. I haven't vlogged any because we didn't have but a couple hours here. We're gonna have all day tomorrow, but for tonight, I thought we would go through Santa's workshop because it's at the end of the night. Hopefully, we can take a good little stroll through, not have to wait in line, all that good stuff. And I know tomorrow, being a Saturday, will be super crowded. So let's go in, check out Santa's workshop. This is located over in the Oktoberfest.
Where Darkastle.
Yep, the old Darkastle building.
Yeah.
Okay, they started making this Santa's workshop a couple years ago.
And it also doubles as a haunted house.
Yeah, it does. So we just came through it as a haunted house about a month ago. So let's go through and see what Santa's workshop looks like.
Yeah. See what all redecoration he did to Nevermore.
Yeah, if you watched my video from my walkthrough of the haunted houses, this would have been the Nevermore. So anyway, while we go see what Santa's gonna see if Santa's decided that he'll bring Tyler something this year. I'm not sure.
I've reached my limit.
Then you guys be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's go see Santa.
And like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
This is the stables. Okay.
Go to the Winter Wonderland. Let's do that.
Awesome. Thank you.
You guys can go right on down this ramp. Have fun, my friends.
All right.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hello. Hi.
It's cold outside?
It's cold outside.
Okay.
It is.
It's cold outside and
That's-
it lights up. Oh my gosh,
That's
it's
right.
a fireplace. That's so cool.
It is.
Don't encourage her.
I love it.
My son would say, "Don't encourage me in my toboggans." But see, look how cool their toboggans are.
Cool,
Yeah.
And the ears and everything.
Goggle.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Welcome to the Winter Wonderland.
Oh, North Pole Postal Service. Right there.
You guys.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We're so close to Santa.
Oh, good. Countdown to Christmas. 36 days.
Are you excited?
Oh, this must be the Santa tracker. It's the radar. It says no peeking.
Look at him go. Look, keep going wild. Look at him. Look at him. I'm in here for this thing. All right.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What? They want me out.
Oh, thank you. There's the big man.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello, hello.
How are you?
Good.
Doing fine. How are you?
We are wonderful.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas to you. It's good to see you. So tell me, little girl, what do you want for Christmas?
Let's see. I have several trips. Like this is a trip up here, so that's my Christmas.
Okay.
So
where
just
do you live?
North Carolina.
Okay.
So.
Very good. How about you, little girl?
Oh,
What do you want for Christmas?
he's gonna ask for way more than that.
Well, probably that woodpecker toy out there.
He kind of liked that woodpecker toy.
I had a little girl earlier ask for it also. So,
What do you?
I could play that thing in like 5 minutes.
Well, what did you really want for Christmas?
I guess car park. As always.
okay.
He races, so it's always car parts.
Always
Car
breaking
park.
something.
Okay.
Thanks, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Thank
Christmas.
you for coming to see me.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Miss Claus. Merry Christmas. Okay, guys, so you come in here and they got a little gift shop area, but you can also view your Santa photos. All right, so what did you think of the Santa's workshop?
It was same as the other year, but
It's amazing.
It's good.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like, they don't have to do all that to meet Santa, but they do. So
yes,
it's cool.
it's awesome. I don't know. I love that workshop. I know when they first did it a couple years ago, I just fell in love with that workshop. But we're going to see if we can get in really quick before closing over here at Rudolph and Friends. They are now over in Rhinefield.
Because Apollo's Chariot opened this year.
Yeah. Usually they're in the Apollo's Chariot's queue and they have that all closed in, but Apollo's Chariot is open this year.
Rudolph got evicted.
He did. He got evicted. He's got put over here in Rhinefield. So
Yeah.
we'll see if we can get in here while it's almost closing time and maybe it's not crowded. All right, so Rudolph's Winter Wonderland entrance. Got to walk around back here, so let's go see Rudolph. There's Randy. We found BGW photo fan. Oh, doing some posing. All right. Hold on, I gotta get a picture too. Okay, big kisses. We love Rudolph. Where's Bumble? Who knows? So, it's just Rudolph and Clarice in there, Bumble and Yukon. They said they stayed at the North Pole this year, so they didn't come down to visit. But outside we do have Frosty and Gingy. Hey, Frosty! Oh no! What's wrong with Gingy?
You definitely want
Your friends were leaving? Is that what was wrong? Okay, I'm sorry. More friends are coming.
We're coming.
Oh, what did you do to my picture? Did you do anything to my picture? Oh. Oh. Gigi, come back. Oh. Oh, he's coming back out. Oh, there he goes.
Run as fast as you can. Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Okay, you're the gingerbread man, sorry.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, y'all, so that about does it for what we were gonna do tonight here at Busch Gardens. We shared the Santa thing with you. I wanted to share that as a separate little video.
It wasn't crowded.
Yeah, while it wasn't crowded, because it was basically, they were closing at 10 and that was probably 9:30. And then we went in to see Rudolph and Clarice.
We did.
Now make note that Bumble and Yukon are not here this year, but Rudolph and Clarice are. And we got to see Frosty and Gingy outside. Yeah. Lots of fun, character meet and greets, always fun. But we will be back tomorrow for a full day. So we'll share a lot more tomorrow, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.